Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm glad you're here. Today, we're exploring a word that can carry deep meaning and is an important term in both medical and social contexts. Our word of the day is abortion. Abortion is a noun and refers to a medical procedure to end a pregnancy. This procedure is used when a pregnancy is intentionally stopped, often for personal, health, or medical reasons. The word abortion is commonly used in conversations about reproductive health and is also widely discussed in social and political contexts. Let's look at a few synonyms for abortion to better understand the term. One synonym is termination, as in, the patient requested a pregnancy termination after consulting with her doctor. Another synonym is miscarriage. However, it's worth noting that miscarriage typically refers to a natural loss of pregnancy rather than an intentional procedure. For example, the doctor explained that a miscarriage is different from a planned abortion. On the other hand, there are also antonyms that convey the opposite meaning of abortion. One antonym is birth. For instance, the couple chose to proceed with the birth after receiving the test results. Another antonym could be continuation of the pregnancy, as in, after a thorough discussion, she opted for the continuation of her pregnancy. In everyday life, the word abortion might come up in various conversations about healthcare options or in discussions about personal choices and rights. It's essential to use this term respectfully and to understand its implications, as it can be a sensitive topic for many people. You might hear abortion used in phrases like, they discuss the option of an abortion with their healthcare provider, or understanding all choices, including abortion, is part of comprehensive healthcare. To give a few more examples and sentences, after considering all aspects, she decided on an abortion as the best option for her health. Another example might be, the law requires certain guidelines to be followed in cases of abortion to ensure patient safety. Lastly, public opinions on abortion vary widely across different communities and cultures. To sum it up, abortion is a medical term for ending a pregnancy and is often discussed in the context of reproductive health. It's essential to approach this word with care and respect, given its sensitive nature. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. Try using abortion in a sentence and share it in the comments below. Looking forward to seeing how you use today's word in context. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.